Good morning class. Class 9th, good morning. Now in mathematics we will discuss about chapter 6, and in chapter 6 we have continued exercise 6.2. 6.2 question 5. In question 5 figure is given AB parallel CD, AB parallel to CD and angle QPR is Y, APQ is given 50 degree, PQR is marked as angle X, PRD marked as 127 degree. So in this question, angle APQ is 50 degree and angle PRD is 127 degree. These two angles are given and we have to find angle X and angle Y. These two angles are unknown angle, we have to find. Now the solution is AB parallel to CD. It is given in this question. So you have to mention AB parallel to CD given. And if two lines are parallel, then alternate angles are formed. So in this figure, APQ equals to PQR, alternate interior angles. That's why APQ means 50 degree, PQR is marked as X, so we know that X is 50 degree. So we have to find the value of X. This is the first unknown angle. Is it clear? Now angle PRD is given 127 degree and alternate linear pair of this angle, that is suppose angle PRQ. So angle PRQ plus PRD equals to 180 degree, linear pair angles. PRQ is not given, so PRQ plus, but PRD is given 127 degree. So we have to find PRQ is 180 minus 127. That's why PRQ is 53 degree. But we have to find angle Y. But PRQ is this angle, that is PRQ. So in consider triangle PQR now. In triangle PQR, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is 180 degree. That is angle sum property of triangle. Angle P means angle Y, angle Q means X, and R means angle R, that is 53 degree, equals to 180 degree. Now Y is not given, but X we have to find 50 degree plus 53, 180 degree. So Y is 180 minus 50 plus 53, that is 103 degree. So Y is 77 degree. So this is the second angle which we have to find. Angle X is 50 and angle Y equals to 77 degree. Is it clear? Now come to the next and last question of this exercise, question 6. in question 6, PQ and RS are two mirrors placed parallel to each other. An incident ray AB strikes the mirror PQ at B, and the reflected ray moves along the path BC and strikes the mirror RS at C, and again reflects back along CD. Then prove that AB parallel to CD. So figure is given. PQ and RS are two mirrors. PQ and RS, two parallel mirror. So given PQ parallel to RS, given in question that is given. AB is one reflect, that is incident ray. AB incident ray, and BC is reflected ray to mirror RS, that is BC, and it again reflect CD. AB is incident ray to the mirror PQ, BC is reflected ray, and then again it reflects to CD in form of CD. Now we have to prove that AB parallel to CD. ये हमें prove करना है, but it is given that PQ equals to RS. ये तो given है आपको. So first of all you have to construction that perpendicular BL, marked L, and CM. So in construction BL perpendicular on PQ and CM perpendicular on RS. Now BL and CM are perpendicular on parallel lines. That's why these two are also parallel. PQ parallel to RS. So PQ parallel to RS. It is given. And BL and CM are two perpendiculars on the parallel lines. Therefore BL parallel to CM. Reason is perpendicular on the parallel lines. Perpendiculars on the parallel lines. So always parallel. Now they form, if BL parallel to CM, then angle LBC equals to BCM. BCM. LBC equals to BCM. What is the relation? If two lines are parallel, then angles are alternate interior angles. Now LBC, consider angle LBC. This is the bisection of ABC. So put it, angle LBC is half of ABC, is equals to half of angle ABC. It is the bisector of ABC. Similarly, angle BCM is half of angle BCD. Now again come to this relation, marked as 1, marked as 2, marked as 3. Now in equation 1 substitute the values of angle LBC and angle BCM from 2 and 3. So we have tried from 1, 2 and 3. LBC means half of ABC plus, okay, equals to BCM, but BCM is half of BCD, half of BCD. Half divide by half, that's why ABC is equals to BCD. If angle ABC equals to BCD, that means AB parallel to CD, because angles are equal, then opposite sides are parallel, alternate interior angle formed हो रहा है. So AB parallel to CD, hence proved. Is it clear? Now like, share and subscribe my channel.